everybody, welcome back to Quick Tip Tuesday. Today's tip is all about portable fire pits and why we bring them with us when we go camping. So we have found now on multiple occasions that the more remote and more distant locations we travel to, they don't have pre-established fire pits. And we like to operate under that tread lightly, leave no trace mentality. So we want to be able to have a campfire, not destroy the land that we're on, and be able to cook and stay warm. So we use the Solo Stove Ranger. It doesn't have to be a Solo Stove. It's less about the brand. There's a myriad of options out there. Some of them collapse really small, some of them are this size. It depends on the vehicle that you're traveling in and how much space you're willing to take up with your fire pit itself. Having a portable fire pit allows you to do a couple different things. It allows you to cook and stay warm and have a good ambiance at the end of the night. It also allows you to safely have a fire in those high fire danger days. And the other good option that I've seen a few times on other people's videos is people throw ammunition into fire pits for some reason, and when you light a fire in there, it presents a risk of that ammunition lighting off and causing an issue with the people around trying to enjoy that fire. So if it's an unknown or you're not really sure about the fire pit that you do have, be cautious, be wary, but this is a good way to mitigate all those risks and still have that awesome campfire at the end of the night. The overwhelming issue with our current configuration is that this is really hard to cook over, so we need to figure out some options to do that, but there are fire pits out there with that in mind that you would be able to cook over, like the BioLite, and some other ones that I'll link in the description below to give you guys some ideas and a place to start when shopping for these. So I would challenge you to bring a fire pit with you on your next camping trip and see if you enjoy that a little bit better. It also allows you to put your fire pit wherever you want in your campsite and not just in a pre-established location, giving you some flexibility to have a more level ground to pitch your tent on or park your truck in. So that's it, folks. I hope you found this quick tip to be helpful. If you like it, tell everyone you know, share it with your friends, hit that subscribe button. We'd really appreciate that. And I'll see you next Tuesday.
Living life every day.
Hello in there.